Fasten your seatbelts. Everyone. Split-second decision. A moment of distraction. And then the sound of metal on metal. Join us as we uncover the stories behind some of the idiots in car crashes. Let's go! Most people at this point will have to exclaim, if only this driver is trying autopilot. Too bad, it's not a Tesla.
Idiot?
Wow, looks like he's trying his luck to mess with idiots in cars. The suspected driver in red Nissan Frontier pickup truck failed to yield, invade opposing lane and fled the scene of the accident, hitting motorcycle and passenger. I hope they're doing fine. Yes, the closer he got to the red light, the faster he went.
The light.
He didn't care about the red light, and the result was not worth it. Always concentrate when driving, because just a few seconds of distraction can take your driving journey in a different direction. Nothing accidental about that. Dude is drunk. Whatever, you are able to avoid the main impact.
They've been, I think, intervene in delicate solutions like Porsche in this area.
Because he's now at fault for hitting the car in front.
Hey, man.
Let's take a look at the way he calmly ran through the intersection, and the way he calmly caused the incident. It's badly. Classic case of road rage. The Defender 90 driver needs to chill. I hope they get caught on dashcam and reported. That kind of behavior is unacceptable. If you're in such a hurry, leave earlier. No excuse for unsafe driving like that. Well, this is one fancy car crash incident. Also great dashcam video quality. Buy a dashcam right now.
In case the battery gets badly out of position in the cassette system.
God
It boiled down to the fact there were no alternatives.
This woman on her phone turned left in front of the driver, and he couldn't stop in time.
Anna said there's another reason for moving. And something about
Make this shorter and easier for people.
This was a totally unexpected incident. Hope everyone is okay.
Florida Constitution.
I normally do like so. Last time I went to Vegas, I went with my partner of 8 years.
I gotta go. There was a wreck right in front of me, like.
Before we go, of course, we have a live showing up on March 20th in New York City. So we continue to have that
It is so nice of you that you stop and help them out. I wish more cameras do the same. Is frozen road causing this problem? If yes, comment 1. No comment. Why did the driver rear-end the car in front? Was it distracted driving or perhaps a mechanical failure? Incidents like this can lead to increased insurance premiums for the driver at fault, which is another reason to drive cautiously. Share your thoughts in the comments and help spread awareness about the need for calm and responsible behavior behind the wheel. Feel free to give me your opinions to this incident, and don't forget to subscribe. Pulling out into traffic without checking is just reckless. Drivers need to pay more attention. I hope he learned his lesson, or at least got a good insurance payout. Darwin Awards contender right here. The delivery guy indicated incorrectly and just moved in front of the biker. The biker was pissed and yelled at him.
Who's idiot? Whose lane are you in? I don't care in a Samaritan lane and you cut in front of me. I don't care, you cut in front of me, you spelling.
Though its main function may be lacking, its ability to suction away debris is certainly impressive. If you like this video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more videos. Driving concentration is paramount. Focus your attention and avoid being absent-minded. The only thing hotter than my car's engine is the rage boiling inside some drivers' heads.
provide some information. Wouldn't be so angry if you would have just stopped at the traffic stop. That's kind of what's making them mad right now.
Well, I guess they wanted to see if the airbags were as compatible as their Bluetooth connections.
He's also allowed the post to higher conference newsroom, reverse atmosphere.
Turns out you can't get on the bridge like at 60 miles per hour. Like an uninvited guest, car crashes are always ready to disrupt any of your journeys.
Oh my God!
This man raged at the biker because he beeped at him and pulled over for no tangible reason.
Asking why I beeped at you.
It was an accident, man.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, man. Look, I appreciate that you stopped.
I'm on a bike too, man.
So that's what happens when someone tries to run you over. What a dick.
This driver stopped in the middle of an intersection without traffic. The biker approached him to find out why he did that.
There's no one behind us, so if we're gone, they can go.
Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.